Good day, sir. My name is Jaren Vergara, 18 years old, from BEd 2, Section 3. I live in at 4A, Poblacion, Valencia City. So, first aid is the quick help or care given to someone who is hurt or sick before a doctor or ambulance arrives. So, first is to save life. Second is to prevent the injury from getting worse. Lastly is to help the person recover faster. First is it can help save someone's life. Second is it give comforts and care before help arrives. So, a first aider is a person trained to give basics help to someone who is hurt or sick. So first is stay calm and don't panic. Second is call for help like teachers or nurse. Third is give a simple first aid. It's safe to do so. Learning first aid is important because it helps me to know what to do when someone gets hurt. I can help my classmates and maybe I can save someone's life.